How to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts error. If you're facing this issue, then simply follow these steps. The first thing you want to do is launch open your device settings. Now find the option of connection, then tap on that. Now select Wi-Fi from here. Make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. If not, then you simply want to switch between Wi-Fi and data and check. Next thing you want to do is head back to your settings, scroll all the way down and tap software update. Make sure that you have updated to the latest software. Now you simply want to restart your device once you have updated it. After restarting, check if your error is fixed. If not, then the next thing you want to do is simply tap and hold on TikTok, then tap on this I button, which will take you directly to settings. Here, scroll down and tap on storage, then select clear cache. Once that is done, launch open Play Store. Here search TikTok. Now if you find the update option, select that and update this app to the latest version. You can also reinstall this app. For that, go ahead and uninstall TikTok, then reinstall it again from Play Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.